Hey, it's been that long since I've had some work. I had to check to see if fan was still taxed. I'm going up to go do a regular job. A local place that I've done stuff for before. It's cold today. I'm used to this, getting up out of bed at this time. It's on my weight as well. Oh dear. It's because I've had too long off. My body's going to be aching today because it's going to be a big shift as well. It's going to be a biggish one. Well, it's a lot of work for one man, and just normal job what we're supposed to be doing. We're doing a loading shovel, and it's usually they take up a full day on the road, but they've dropped some more arms on me as well, some more loading shovel arms. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. I know what's going to happen, but it is what it is. Just got to get on with it, because I'm not going to run me now when there's somebody offering me work. Yep, I'll come and do it. I'll come and do it. And then I tried telling him that, explaining like, what, because it's a new manager that's taken over, a new shop floor manager, I think. So with everything taken over. Oh, in fact, she didn't even ring me. She was supposed to ring me because where I'm working. Oh, I don't even know if I can work today. Oh, shit. Because I'll get some supplies because I'm going to need some pop today. Yeah, apparently where I'm working at End at Lane, it's still there lamplight, but they're having new electric cables fitted or something. I don't know. She said they were fitting some pylons, mass. She said they were fitting some at End at Lane, which means I don't want to disturb other guys from working, but we'll not be able to work if I'm working, just with noise and stuff. So I think it will only be fair if I come back another day, because I'm not actually that busy. Well, I'm not busy at all, so I'm just going to get some supplies just in case they're not there today. They might have got done yesterday. So I actually remember phone call now what she said. She said she'd phone me if you're cancelling, but as it stands, we actually want you, and it's okay to come. So I remember what she said now. So hopefully, nothing's changed from yesterday tea time, and we can get something done. Get some money earned. But only problem, well, I said there's another problem with this firm. It's not a problem, I never have a problem at getting paid from them. They always pay me, but what they do, this is how it's worked in past. I give them 30 days to pay, like you do with, like when you're on a business terms, and when you've worked with somebody for so long, you can give them terms. Well, what happens with these guys is you're on a statutory, a standard 90 days. So whatever day your invoice goes in, if your invoice drops on a certain day, on whatever month or whatever their billing cycle is, you can end up waiting your 30 days and their 90 days before you get paid. It's nice when it gets paid, don't get me wrong, because you might end up doing a few more jobs for them in between. And like I said, you might even drop on and you put it in, said today, and it might get paid next week. It just depends. It depends how their billing cycle, what cycle they're on. So we could end up potentially waiting ages for his money on this one. So that's not really helped me much, but work's work. You've got to take it when you can. Right, we're here. Oh. Potholes galore. Don't like the compressor, don't like these. Oh no, it's not putting a pylon in. It's wood chippers or wood choppers, or well, you know what? I know this land's massive, so Oh no, yeah, they put pylons down. They put them there, they're not working there. Oh shit, they are. What? I thought she said she was gonna ring me. Wow, look at that little tool. Look at this. Let me stop this. Right, I don't know if that's picking it up, but that little tool over there. A cherry picker, track cherry picker. Mega that. Great bit of kit. And they've got all the pylons there that they're going to be putting up. And that's where I normally blast there. So I don't know if that's their snap cabin, but we're not going to be able to work here. They've obviously had permission to work here from Farmer and these guys because they own this road. So I don't know if they're going to plonk me somewhere else. We're going to have a look, see what we can do. I'm going to have to go down and see their manager and see what crack is like. Where as it stands at minute. I'm not going to go to blast there. Well, I could blast in front of that gravel, but...
Oh well, I've just squared it up with them down there, see if it's alright to blast down there. And it's found me somewhere up here to do it now, so... Is that going to come down on me? Is that going to... Didn't want that barrier coming down and it's in the top of the van. Oh, is it? Some rake machines up here. That'd help my yard. Well, pal, you alright?
Busy.
No.
I keep watching my film star videos. So
Oh, does that? Sad to say.
I think people don't realise what you can and cannot do on YouTube.
Do you know, like when you fill it forming, you've got to say it's non-controversial, it's not to do with guns, because obviously American and stuff
racist,
like that. Not racist. You've got to say that.
Specific and all that.
You can't swear in it. Or in first 30 seconds, if there's set rules on swearing, if you swear in it for 30 seconds, you've got to tick a box. After that, and then you've got to, and then it's like swear words as in damn, hell. You've got to fill all them in. So sometimes I just think to myself, he's not even talking to it. It's just put some music of a lot on it and then just leave it. Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to do it, innit? But it is what it is. Oh, I hate coming down tracks like this. Yeah, it's all clear down here, apart from all nuts and bolts that's on floor that's going to pop your tyres. What was that here? What are you talking about? Hey, Paul. Let me go and see what crack is. Right, so we've got this to do today. Cleaning all this up. That rusty panel there. Just do as much as I can, he says. But there's 4 wheels to do. There's some more wheels and some more arms. So probably here back tomorrow and all. So I'll get some more footage tomorrow. But look at this, mega. The size of that machine behind mine. Woo! Big boys toys. Found me somewhere else to blast, so I'm not in their way. Oh, that sight glass wants covering up. That in there when I get to it. Put a bit of tape over that. Chuff knows. Just gonna have to make a start. Right, let's get into it.
Mate, sorry for lack of information here. I knew I'd be pushed for time on this job. Filming it ain't really at top of my list of things what to do. It's like obviously a secondary thought for me. So what's just happened there is my pipe's just exploded and I didn't have time to fix it. I knew I'd be pushed for time on this job. Good news is I had a spare on van just for these sort of instances where I knew that obviously time frame, it's quicker just to pull a new pipe out and tie up this dead man's handle on than it would be than having to fix it like.
On time now, buddy.
Okay.
It's on time now. They'll be getting ready to shut yard up soon.
How long?
Uh,
I just want to get that fixed out of the way.
5 o'clock we normally start locking gates up and shit. So if you need to pack out up now.
I could do it, like. What I call it, just stand fire while I just finish that off.
Dale?
Ah.
I haven't got his number so I can't ask him, mate.
What about tyre man? Because he's painter, isn't he? He's in the paint, mate.
No idea. I ain't got his number either.
It could make it well, it could save him some work, that's all I'm thinking. I ain't got that long left anyway, but like I said, I'm going to be packing up on her, so...
What we're saying, about 5:30?
Yeah, about 12 o'clock. I just need to finish that arse end off here.
So by the time you packed up it and gone, it'll be about 12 past. Sandblaster is just asking if anybody can hang on while about 5 for him. He's just got one bit left to finish off and then pack up. You sure? Right, no worries. Alright, Cheers, Dave. Like, you alright? Yeah, he said alright while I'm at quarter past. Alright, buddy. Take care of it.
Hey, that's it done. Well, best it's getting anyway. This is one of the hardest ones I've ever had to do. So like, there's a glass thing, where am I pointing? That glass thing there, didn't want to go up there because I knew it was going to need a lot of time. Same with underneath of there, didn't really need it to be fair. I just hit worse bits, scabby bits. Could do with blowing off, but they should take yard up now. That's a new wheel anyway, that. It's not, it's only muck that's on that one. It was centre that were bad on that. The rest of that wheel's good. Not too bad. I'll catch you up next then.